Seller's Toolbox Shop Towels are packaged in a durable cardboard center pull dispenser box with a convenient carrying handle. To use, find the perforated markings on the top and simply punch out or pop off the center tabs. Reach into the center of the roll and grab the single layer of towels closest to the center of the roll. Slowly pull the towel up from the center of the roll with a back and forth motion in order to help separate the layers. Now you're ready to dispense towels one at a time. Toolbox Shop Towels are ideal for use in the garage, shop, or home workspaces. They work like cloth and they're extra tough, but they're also soft on hands and face. Disposable Toolbox Shop Towels are an indispensable companion for projects where grease and grime are involved. The blue color helps hide the grease and grime better than white towels, which allows for longer use before being discarded. Introduce Toolbox Shop Towels to your garage, shop, or home, and you'll find out quickly just how useful they can be. They're great for spills, oily parts, cleaning windows, greasy hands, dirty counters, filthy tools, and jobs that call for tough scrubbing. They can even be used for lighter tasks in place of kitchen paper towels. They're more absorbent than cloth shop towels and plenty tough enough for repeated uses. And best of all, they're disposable. Toolbox Shop Towels are made with 40% post-consumer recycled fibers right here in the USA. We invite you to find out what Toolbox Shop Towels can do for your favorite workspace. To learn more, visit us at sellerscompany.com. Thank you.